Well, it is a heavy day. It's a long day. The weather, as it was yesterday, the heat has a lot to do with how people feel, drink, going to beaches and partying. So it has a direct impact on what happens on the day. We have a fairly large but proportionate and risk-based deployment of officers throughout the day. That's focused in certain areas like the political rally, and then around the beaches and in the sort of the rock concerts and other events. And the day went as smooth as one would have expected. We have dealt we did deal with a number of incidents during the course of the day. No single, I wouldn't call any of the incidents singularly serious, but there was a lot of volume demand, and our response teams and the additional officers that we had on the day did work flat out for most of the days. And I'd like to take the opportunity to thank everybody, including colleagues in the ambulance service who did get the fair share of work as well yesterday on some of our jobs, for a good job well done.
Taking a look through your official reports of the 24 hours relating to the 10th of September, a lot of them are to do with alcohol consumption. Is that particularly disappointing for you, despite your pleas to people to enjoy the day responsibly?
It is. It is disappointing because, obviously, as happens on occasions or weekends as well, there is always an element of individuals who drink irresponsibly and beyond their ability to control their behaviour, and that obviously in turn results in assaults, affrays, minor disorder, minor antisocial behaviour, drink driving. We had a few cases yesterday, one of which blew almost 3 times the legal limit. Again, a danger to themselves and to other road users. Fortunately, our officers are out there. You may not see them all the time, but they are out there. Otherwise, if we weren't there, we weren't responding and patrolling, we wouldn't be detecting and making those arrests and keeping people safe. So it is disappointing, but again, we have to put it into the context of thousands of people at the beaches. Every beach was packed, fantastic atmosphere everywhere. Casements was relatively packed as well. The Piazzetta, Governor Street, Ocean Village events. We had an event down the Victoria Stadium. But so when you put into context the thousands of people that were out, thousands of visitors coming in as well, yes, we did have a very busy day of multiple arrests and incidents, domestic abuse, mental health interaction, safeguarding of juveniles.
All those are non-National Day specific.
Exactly, non-National Day specific, not specific to any specific events from National Day, but obviously magnified by the fact that there were more people out on the streets, no schools, most people have work, it's public holiday, so proportionally more incidents were going to happen. But again, against the context of the wider Gibraltar celebrations, it wasn't as big.